Hi everyone, my name is Dennis Dave Labisores, and today I want to share my thought about cancel culture. We often see it on social media when someone says or does something offensive, and people quickly react by canceling them. Basically, cancel culture is when people stop supporting someone because of the wrong action or words. Basically, ang mga tao, imbes ilang suportaan, ilan na noong himuon og sayop, abi kay mas taas ilang tanaw silang kagalingon. In some ways, it can be a good thing. It reminds us to be responsible for what we say and do. It also gives us people a voice to stand up against discrimination, hate, or bad behavior, even from those who are famous or powerful. So, ma-remind ta sa ato mga responsibility, hindi dapat kagsulti, hindi dapat kag yawit itong bakba, kay same sa ug maadto tag sinit, di ka patagag sulti kay nana mas na powerful na to, ug patagag sulti dito mapriso jud ka. But cancel culture also has a negative side. Sometimes people get judged or attached too fast without given the chance to explain or change. Ari pud sa cancel culture kay nasa negative side. Mao na mga people nga ma-judge nya di matagag chance nga maka-explain og pastorya sa ilang mga side. It can be ruin someone's reputation or career even they apologize. Instead of encouraging growth, it can create fear and silence. Mao na mga tao nga imbis nga ito i-encourage aron mas taas ilang confidence or growth, at makuha na lang nun sila kaya ito mo sila ipaubos, ka-create ng tag fear nila, mahadlok na nun sila. For me, cancel culture should be balanced with understanding. Uwi mo lang sabton, balance naman ta og magkuha lang ta kanang i-balance lang nato ba, minaw tas pikas, minaw tas pikas. We can call out wrong action, but we should also give people the opportunity to learn and do better. So, abi kay na wrong sila, di na tagag opportunity para makastorya sila og tarong sa paminaw nilang side, aron maka-learn sa sila og kahimo sa sila nindot. Everyone make mistakes, and what's important is how they grow from them. Di kita